Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So the 30-day challenge is on, and this is our day 2, and we are trying to solve a substring problem in C. So basically what substring is, it is a part of an string. It is a contiguous part of a string, or you can say a contiguous block of an string. So let us begin without having any further ado. So suppose we have an input, like there is my uh, school as a string. So the is a substring, and if the is present in the string, it will return true, or we can deliver a message like the substring is found. So let us begin. I'm going to quickly load the preprocessor directives, which is include stdio.h, then oops, yeah, no iStream, it will be stdio.h, my bad. Then it will be the string.h, because we are going to use a string function, and then we are going to use the stdbool.h, although I didn't make my mind on using the boolean function, so boolean variables. So let us begin. So I'm going to start with the main function, and then declare a string like character string str, and then the size of the string, let's say 50. So I have to declare another substring of size, let's say 10. Okay, so these are the capacities. So I have to find the length of this string and substring. So we are going to quickly find out that using the strlen function. Just a second, guys. Yes, so len str has the value length of the str variable, and len sub str has the value of that substring. So that's pretty simple thing. And then let us write the loop now. No, we have one more thing to do. We have to make another variable, let's say count, and let's take another variable. No, first let's take the input. So I'm writing a statement like enter a string, and then the user will enter another string, the substring. So getTest is the method I am using for obtaining the input, because I can't use the scanf method for a character array, if you know that. So yes, enter a substring. Now oops, yeah, so yeah, this will do it. This will get the input, and then I need to write the loop. So for I equals to 0, let's say int I equals to 0, I should be less than len str, and then I'll increment by 1, so I plus plus, sorry. So here let's see the value of the str variable and sub str variable. Let's check it. Let's go like this, and the sub str will follow through. I think it will. Let's see first the str value. So inputting a string hello and h e. So there is a problem. You can see the loop doesn't iterate. Why is it so? Guys, here is a problem in the code. So can you just find out the problem? The problem is pretty simple. If you see here, the len str, I'm taking the length of that string and the substring before taking the input. Okay, so that will leave me with a problem, with a critical problem. It cannot detect the actual length of the string or the substring. Okay, it will take 1. Okay, so for every instance it will take 1 as the length of the string, and that is exactly why the loop cannot iterate. and if the loop doesn't iterate, we cannot get the code right. So I'm copying the two lines and pasting it below. There is one problem of top to bottom approach, the one limitation you can say. So let us now clean this mess, and okay, let's begin. So now I'm writing the loop. Now you can see it will iterate. Hello AJ, yeah, it is iterating. So now I'm going to write the logic. I'm going to need two other variables, like one is j and one is count. I will require. So j is nothing but j is basically we are using for iterating the substring. Okay, and now if stri is equals to strj, means the first character of the str variable is equals to the substring of j is 0, initialized to 0. So I'll make count as 1, increment to 1. Okay, although I haven't declared the count variable, I'm going to declare it right here. Yes, so integer count equals to 1, and I'm iterating through string, and I'm checking if the string value if the character value of the first index in str is equals to the equals to the character value of substr in the first place. Okay, and if it is so, it will increment the count by 1, and it will increment the j by 1 too, which are right, or else it will set the count to 0. So here we are using this for checking if the substring is completely matching with the string we have. It's the part of the string we have. So here you can see yes, we are making sure that if the three words or the three letters or whatever the substring is not matched, then it will again jump back to 0, and j is also j will also jump back to 0. So there will be no more further iteration, as you can see, for the substring. Okay, so here let's see what it has. So print f, then stri, and then I will again print some character c, %c, then sub str j. Let's see, but this code will also have some problems. I guess so. It's also not done. So yes, going in the right direction. So now we have we are printing the values each time we are iterating through the loop, and we are also counting the values of we are also printing the value of count variable, which will check if that substring rule is followed or not. Let's see. Hello, I am no one. The struggle is real. So no one, yeah. Yes, so no. Here you can see it's a mess. I have to clean this scene. Just give me a minute, guys. Yes, breaking your line. Then let's see. Gman carry, and is the substring. Yes, you can see here there is some problem, right? There is some problem. The count of variable is not going to the 3 position or the second position, you can see. Okay, why? Because we are not incrementing the j. That is the main problem. So we have to increment the j, and now we can see the count will do its job. Okay, gym and carry, and the substring is and. Okay, you can see here is reaching 3. Okay, so 3 is nothing but the length of that substring, if you know what I mean. 3 is the length of the substring, and we're checking if that count variable matches the length of the substring. So I'm going to have another conditional loop here conditional statement here. So count, if count is equals to length of that substring, just break the loop and say that you have found the substring. Okay, that will do it. Found, and then I'll break the loop. So each time the program is executed, if there is a string present, it will return yes, I have found it, or else it will not return anything. We can also use it in a user defined function, but there is no need of doing that right now. I think it has crashed. I have to reload it, I think. Let's see, come on, I need to reload it. Let me clean this thing. Yes, it's done. Let me clean it too. Yes, correct. And now let's do it. It's crashed. I think it's crashed, and I need to reload it. Thanks for being patient, guys. I hope you have seen the video till the last, so make sure you drop a subscribe, you hit the subscribe button, you drop a like, because that's important for this channel. And now I'm going to execute it. Enter a string. Let's say let's write something controversial. So I hate really, no, let's not write it, right? It will get me in trouble. So I hate myself. Okay, oops, the struggle is real. So if I enter the substring hate, it is found. So executing again, Jim and Carrie, and if I write the substring as carry, sorry, and it will be found. So that's it, guys. I hope to see you in my next video, and till then, subscribe and like the video. It's important for the channel, guys. So bye, take care.